गार्ड रहेंगे, मुझे लगता है हॉस्पिटल ये गार्ड देना।
भाई गाइस कौन है हमारे साथ?
वही है जो हमेशा होते हैं।
Hey guys, so currently we are here at University Aspatal Clinici. So I don't really know how to say that, but yeah, we are here to get our COVID certificate. Fucking running away to different places, but we are not getting this COVID certificate. And basically, this COVID certificate is a certificate which says that you are vaccinated, and then if you have that certificate, you can travel freely in other European countries. So if you want to travel a bit, this is summer, so that's why we are here. So let's see. I hope we can get it today here. Like we are here in the hospital. So this is a hospital and you can check out the view. The place quite far from the city center. So guys, currently we are entering this hospital and let's see if we can get our work done. I think it's for student plus hospital. Hey guys, so we are back from this hospital and the guys told that you are late. It's only you can get that certificate until 3 PM and right now it's 3:40. I mean almost like 4 PM in the evening. अंदर से feeling आई रही थी कि वो काम होगा नहीं आज, पर हुआ भी नहीं.
कल 3 बजे आएंगे टैक्सी लेके.
अब कल फिर आएंगे भाई, सीधे टैक्सी से आएंगे. द थिंग इज़ लाइक दिस प्लेस इज़ सो फकिंग फार फ्रॉम द सिटी सेंटर दैट यू हैव टू चेंज वन ट्राम एंड वन बस. सो मतलब सोचना पड़ता है भाई आने के लिए. मतलब कुछ है नहीं भाई, हम आस पास एक हॉस्पिटल वगैरह है और फ्यू हाउसेज एंड लाइक कल आना पड़ेगा. देखते हैं. चलो ये तो पता है ना भाई, मिल जाएगा. हम यहाँ से चलते हैं, मॉल वगैरह चलते हैं भाई. आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ बाइंग अ न्यू फ़ोन ऑन अ मंथली कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. सो लेट्स सी, अभी मॉल जाके पूछते हैं क्या सीन है. So let me show you the iPhone which I'm using right now is iPhone 8 Plus and just look at the condition. मतलब पूरा टूट फूट गया है पीछे से और मतलब दिख रहा है ना, मतलब गरीबी. तो भाई बस यही है. We'll go to the mall and then we will try to ask them if you can purchase with, because I have my temporary resident card. I mean सामी के पास नहीं है पर मेरे पास है. मतलब बेचती क्या भाई. He has visa for Poland, so I think he cannot buy it. I think I can because I also have a employment contract because I work. अगर मिल गया iPhone तो भाई ले लेंगे. Many of you guys were commenting that please make a video about this balance statement, bank statement for Poland visa, for Poland student visa, or do we need this credit card? The answer is Sami है. Sami देगा because recently he went to India and then he came back.
क्या जवाब देना है?
What saving account balance statement? I mean bank statement, or do we need a credit card statement for Poland study visa?
We can take the bank statement also and credit card, but
what did you actually did? Because you recently came from India and you got it.
Because I think it's more feasible for a long-term purpose. I'm saying that you can get the bank statement also, but the thing is that if you get the credit card statement and if you are coming for the first time, you can use that credit card for twice, getting the visa twice or thrice. But if you're getting the bank statement, you have to do it like you have to maintain the bank statement again and again.
Okay, so guys, basically the scene ये है, जहाँ तक मैंने सुना है, जैसे सामी ने बोला कि it's very useful and it's very necessary to get this credit card statement. अगर आपके घर में if you guys have your parents or your, I mean the person who is sponsoring you, you can put his credit card, and it's not necessary that you can only put one credit card. You can put like if you have 2 or 3 or multiple, as much as you have.
The best is like you can get the credit card statement, which is like you have to maintain like 6 to 7 lakhs, and
yeah, so
you will get a credit card limit of 5, and then you can have it for like next time you apply for visa twice.
So guys, as I was telling that you can get a credit card statement and the limit should be at least 4 or 5 lakhs. So if you don't have one credit card which limit is 4 or 5 lakhs, you can put multiple credit cards and also then show some, you know, some of liquid funds in your bank statement, like in saving accounts of your sponsor. It's very necessary. It should be of your sponsor, not like your brother or sister or any uncle, auntie, no, not like that. Also seen that, you know, if you are getting an admission in very good public university, then just with your bank statement also people are getting visas. I mean, I was talking to many people, they got their like visa for Poland just on the basis of their bank statement, but in that case they were like, they had really good marks and they were admitted in very good public universities. So I mean, it's kind of like you actually like need the credit card statement. Is like very important, it's very necessary, because if you are getting into any of the colleges, you need this credit card statement. I mean, I know I'm repeating this, but it's very necessary. I know there's a time a lot of guys are applying for this visa, so and I was getting this lot of questions on my Instagram, so I thought why not just you know, speak this into the video, because it's more like easy than, I don't know, replying to 100-200 messages. Recently I got a comment from a girl that I know you don't reply to your messages on Instagram on purpose, like you are ignorant or whatever. So guys, let me tell you, I mean, अभी मैं दिखा नहीं सकता कितने मैसेज पढ़े मेरे फ़ोन में, and how many message requests of people, they keep asking me questions. And I personally, I also have a life, right? I mean, my whole life is not just about video, and I mean, you know what I mean, right? I also have a life, I work, और भी काम होते हैं भाई, यहाँ सब कुछ अब नहीं करना पड़ता है. So don't like be disappointed or don't be angry at me if I don't reply to your messages. I try my best to reply to whatever messages or DMs I get, but sometimes नहीं हो पाता है भाई. मतलब इतने लोग लंबे लंबे पैराग्राफ लिख देते हैं, वो पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता है. लाइक अपने दिल की बात बता रहा हूँ गाइस. आपको इशू है, आप मेरे इंस्टाग्राम,
मोटा क्वेश्चन,
हाँ आपको मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे जाइए, यू कैन फाइंड सामी मोइन इन माई पोस्ट एंड मतलब सामी मोइन सर्च कर लेना, डाल दूंगा लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में. बस आ गई है. नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टू द सिटी सेंटर बिकॉज वी आर प्लानिंग टू गो टू द मॉल एंड यू कैन सी द बस इज ऑलरेडी हियर. अब चलते हैं गाइस, लेट्स गो. Here at this Wrocławia mall, just look at this weather. Like the weather changes so quickly in Poland. अभी तक इतनी गर्मी थी, it was so hot like few minutes ago. Now it's
10 minutes ago, bro.
Yes, like 10 minutes ago it was so hot and now it's so pleasant and cloudy. So yeah, I think we are going to this Wrocławia mall. भाई पहले भी दिखाया शायद अपने कितने सारे ब्लॉग में.
खूबसूरत है बड़ा.
हाँ, but yeah, this is one of the, I mean, this is one of my favorite malls here in Wrocław, in my city. They sell everywhere in the malls. We are going to the store of Play.
We are here. No. We are here.
Looks time of arrival भी दिखा रहा है, काफी cool नहीं है?
We come here. No. We go there.
We are here, right?
इधर जाना चाह.
मॉल कितने सारे मैंने ब्लॉग में दिखा हुआ है, पर ये काफ़ी प्यारा मॉल है. यहाँ मतलब सॉक्स बेचने हैं. देखो कितने का ये 300 रुपये का एक मोजा है भाई.
आप इंडिया में 40 रुपये में दे सकते हैं.
40 या 20 रुपये मोजा में ज़्यादा है. एंड दिस स्टोर आइकॉस इज ओनली फॉर लाइक ई-सिगरेट्स एंड वेप्स एंड ऑल दिस. सो इट्स लाइक आई डोंट नो,
खराब करनी जा सकते हैं.
हाँ मतलब आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ पीपल लाइक स्मोक ऑल दिस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिगरेट. खुशी हो रही है, पता क्यों? एक खुशी ये भी है बिकॉज माई पेड लीव स्टार्टेड लाइक you know in Poland. If you are working full time on this specific contract, so my contract is umao oprasi. I mean अब ये पूछना मत क्या होता है, it's just a type of contract. So you are eligible for a paid leave. So right now I'm on the paid leave. In Polish it's called urlop. So I'm on the paid leave. So it's like I'm not working but they will pay me for this leave. To buy glasses you can buy from Vision Express, but let me tell you the glasses,
ऐसा हो तो जाओ.
हाँ the glasses starts from 800 zloty. तो भाई मतलब 20-25 हज़ार का खाली चश्मा पहनना है तो आ जाओ यहाँ पे. इससे बढ़िया इफ़ यू गाइस आर वेयरिंग ग्लासेस, ब्रिंग फ्रॉम इंडिया. मतलब 3-4 पेयर लेके आ जाओ. ब्रिंग 3, 4, 5 पेयर.
मीडिया मार्केट, MP, दारा,
3 स्टोर साथ में है. प्ले ऑरेंज,
रेनबो क्या
तो पता नहीं क्या है. मतलब मॉल का मैप वगैरह भी ले लिया तभी कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा भाई. बोला ना इतना बड़ा मॉल है. So guys, the thing was the store was outside. It was not in the mall, and we were looking in the mall from like 10 minutes. हाँ तो this is the place where all the stores are. So we'll probably go and check out in one of them and let's talk to them if they can give me a phone on contract. Prasham, do you speak English? So I wanted to ask, like, is it possible to buy a cell phone on like monthly contract?
The card must be expired for 2 years from today.
First option is phone with a contract, right? With a SIM card,
Yeah.
right? And I'm talking phone without contract, without the SIM card.
You want to buy the phone from the
Installment, I think that's the word.
long-term residence card.
So guys, just check out this beautiful church. So guys, we are back from the mall. The good news is that there's no good news.
Where you come with me,
हाँ.
nothing happens.
मतलब हामी के साथ चलो ना तो ऐसा ये लेके चलता है अलग कि कुछ काम नहीं हुआ भाई यहाँ पे. उन्होंने बोला कि first of all we went to a store, it's called Play, and they told us that you cannot buy the phone on monthly contract because your TRC should be valid for 2 years. तो भाई 2 साल का TRC हम कहाँ से लाएं? Like I don't have TRC for 2 years. We are hungry, so we are going to one of the Indian restaurant. और वो भाई अपने घर जैसा ही हो गया है. तो अब भूख लगी है तो कुछ इंडियन खाना खाते हैं. मतलब सामी के साथ रहोगे तो भाई तो इंडियन खाना ही खाना पड़ेगा बिकॉज ही ओनली ईट्स इंडियन फूड, राइट? मतलब आज ही चिकन खा गया है कल रात का. फूड ये सामी खा रहा है मस्त है. So we ordered this chicken vindaloo. I don't exactly know what vindaloo is, but it's fucking spicy. We have this naan and this chicken and this sami.